I wasn't even planning on getting coffee today, but I have less energy than I've like ever had in my life. So I guess we don't have a choice. What's up, you guys? It's Hannah. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Today is Monday, January 25th. It's 11:48 in the morning right now. I just, as you guys saw a little bit of, woke up, got ready, quickly showered, washed my hair for the first time in a few days, and now we're here. We're in the car and I am exhausted. I literally told myself that I was not going to get coffee today. Typically when I do vlogs, I always have a coffee. You guys know that. So I was like, oh, I'll just make it myself, but it's almost noon and I am exhausted still, so I think that I need a coffee or else I don't want to be low energy this entire time. And while coffee does not give me energy necessarily, it does give me something, and that is happiness, so that's good enough for me. In today's vlog, this is crazy to say, I literally never thought I would say this. I knew it was coming, but it just feels weird to say, but today I'm gonna be beginning my preparations for my very last semester of undergrad. My last semester of college starts in 1 week from today. I need to get ready. I need to prepare myself mentally mostly. Actually haven't received any correspondence from any of my professors, and we start school in a week, so I honestly have no idea what's going on with my classes. I don't have any syllabi to look at and write things down as of today, which is typically what I do in my prepping for the new semester videos, so I literally don't have any. So I guess we're just gonna take matters into our own hands today, and I'm gonna try and mentally prepare myself and get myself organized as best as I can without actually knowing any of the things that I'm gonna do in any of my classes. I am really excited for today's vlog as well because this video is actually sponsored by Grubhub, so I'm gonna talk a little bit more about them and the Campus Tastemaker program later in the vlog, but thank you Grubhub for sponsoring today's video. I'm gonna start my day off by running to Target because I actually want to get myself a new planner. When I bought the one in August, I wasn't really taking into account the fact that I'm gonna need to buy a new one anyway for 2021 because I don't go back to school in August. So it's not like I'm gonna get another academic year planner in August. Like I need a full year, I need to start doing the full year planner thing like an adult. And also, I barely used my planner last semester because I just literally didn't have the energy to. I would type dates down in my computer, but that's all I could bring myself to do because I was so miserable. So looking at that planner right now just reminds me of last semester and it gives me bad vibes, so I'm gonna try and find a new one today at Target for 2021, and we're gonna start fresh and we're gonna try and have a better, more positive mindset going into this semester than we did the last one. And I also need a couple other things from Target. I'm gonna go listen to driver's license and I will see you guys when we get to Dunkin'. Hi, could I please get a small toasted coconut iced coffee with cream and no sugar? Thank you.
You're welcome.
I got a small because I'm trying to watch my sugar consumption because I think it's getting out of hand and I need to wrangle that in. Anyway, back to my song. When I wear my mask like this, it makes it look like I have a beard. Hi, good. How are you?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Oh. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna go listen to this like 5 more times and I'll see you guys when I get to Target. Oof. Oof. Okay. All right, I'm back home. Oh my God. Whew. And I want to show you the planner I got, but I also got a couple other like toiletry things, but I picked up these hair ties, the coil ones, because I wanted to try them. So I'm really interested in this. What is the point of these? Yeah, I don't know what the purpose is, but I thought that they were cool, so I wanted to try them for myself. Does that look cool? I don't know. Alright, this is fine. So I spent far too long standing there trying to pick a planner. Like, I don't know why it is such a big deal to me, but I wanted to get the perfect one. So I ended up going with this one. It looks like this. Hello. I'm gonna try this a different way. This is the planner. It's this very cute green color and it has these white little polka dots. It says 21 in this cute minimalist looking font in gold, and it has these gold things on the corners. I just thought it was really cute. It's by the brand Sugar Paper. I never have planners that are this big. Typically I have just like the small ones, but I was drawn to this for some reason. So you open it up. Like, how cute is that? And then you have each month. I also really like this font. For each week on the right side you have just the typical planner day sections, and I like that they're just blank completely. There's no lines or anything, so I can really just write whatever I want wherever I want. And then on the left side of each week there is this page. You can kind of do like weekly overviews, which I think is going to be really helpful for me, not just with school but after I graduate and everything. I think this will be really nice to have, so that was a big selling point for me. I really like this layout. It was between this one and another one, but I went with this one because it has the tabs on the side. I literally cannot have a planner that does not have the tabs on the side. It's just, I can't do it. Oh, also, so before, this is like the monthly calendar obviously. Before that we have a whole monthly overview. You can write down goals and important dates and anything else for the month, and then there's a whole notes section if you need to write notes for the month, which I just think is really nice. So there's a lot here, and I also just think the color is cute, the color combination is cute, the gold accents are cute. I like it a lot. My roots are coming in hot, you guys. Let me try. Oh, that's the angle. Yeah. Oh, they're coming in hot. So it kind of looks like I'm balding. We've been through this before. Looks like I'm balding, but it's really because my roots are lighter than my hair and I need to go back to the nail salon. I need to go back to the hair salon and get it redone. But anyway, I really like this and I'm super excited to use it, and it makes me feel, I mean, I know I just got it 5 seconds ago, but looking at it makes me feel excited to use it. So hopefully I can have a better attitude about this year. And also, oh, I didn't even notice this. There's a page of stickers. Oh, cute. Look at all the stickers. Cute. I think I'm gonna do the birthday one right now, and I'm gonna put it on my birthday, April 24th. It's a Saturday. Hopefully I can do something this year. Yay. Oh, that's cute. Okay, I'm actually quite annoyed right now. I honestly think that maybe I'm just hungry. It is lunchtime. It's 1 o'clock. I think that I'm gonna order lunch for delivery. I am going to get it from our sponsor today actually, and that is Grubhub. So if you're unfamiliar with Grubhub, it is pretty much a food delivery service app where you can go on, you can type in your location, you can get food from your favorite restaurants delivered right to your door. It's quick and easy, contact-free delivery, which is great, staying safe, and it's just super convenient. Specifically when I lived at school in my first years of college, I ordered from Grubhub all the time because I just couldn't be bothered to leave my room, especially if you're busy studying or if you're doing homework or if you just are exhausted from school and you don't want to leave your house and you just want to get the food delivered right to you. Grubhub is the app for you. Something really cool about Grubhub that they're doing for college students is the Grubhub Campus Tastemakers program. Pretty much a community of college students who want to get rewarded simply for ordering their favorite food from Grubhub. It's completely free to sign up, which is amazing. I think that free is music to every college student's ears and to most people's ears probably. When you become a Grubhub Campus Tastemaker, you can complete missions within the app to receive rewards and exclusive perks, which is amazing. We all love a good deal. If you are a college student and you're interested in signing up for completely free, there will be a link in my description for you to do that. And you also get a $7 off perk for free just for signing up, which is also free. I right now am going to order lunch from Chipotle. In my last video, I also ordered Chipotle delivery. Let's begin. Burrito bowl. We are gonna get steak. We're gonna get white rice, black beans, guac, hot salsa, sour cream cheese. Okay, add to bag. Finalizing cart. Woo! Order has been placed. God bless. Estimated delivery time is between 1:50 and 2 o'clock. It is now 1:12. God, I'm so excited. So again, thank you so much to Grubhub for sponsoring today's video. And if any of you watching are college students and you want to sign up to be part of the Grubhub Campus Tastemakers community for free, you can click the link in my description to sign up. It's very easy and you get a $7 perk just for signing up. Now that I've ordered my food, I think that I really just need to be annoying as hell and clean up my room. I mean, I don't know what else to do at this point. It's really pissing me off. This is off topic. Oh, I forgot to do that at Target. Dang it. I really wanted to go back to this section where they have the Post-it, the new line from Post-it. I got this little to-do Post-it note pad from Target a few weeks ago, and I wanted to go back and see if there was anything else that I could buy that I could use. I totally forgot to do that. I think I was overwhelmed. I do have a few things to do today, so I'm gonna write those down on this little pad. It's so nice. There's so many, first of all. They're the perfect size. They're just quick and easy to just stick on the wall or something, and I don't know, I just really enjoy that. So I'm gonna write down the things I have to do today. This is what our list looks like right now. Put it on the wall. Okay, first things first is gonna be to clean my room. I don't even want to bore anybody with that content again because we've had enough of it on this channel. I think I'm just gonna do like one of those transitions where it's like, here it is dirty and now it's clean. While I'm doing that, I bet you could probably guess, but I'm going to turn on a podcast. It's Monday, so there was a new episode of Crime Junkie today, but I already listened to it, so I'm gonna have to find another one to listen to, which will not be hard considering I signed up for the fan club, so I have access to all of their bonus monthly episodes. So I'm gonna turn that on and I'm gonna pick up my room so that I can stop feeling anxious about it. Hello. So I am in the middle of cleaning my room right now and I was putting clothes away and I realized that it is time for me to do a quick closet clean out and I need to go through and get rid of some clothes because it is packed to the brim. To the brim. When I did my closet clean out video last year, I feel like I had so much space in between everything, and then I guess I somehow accumulated a lot of clothes throughout the past year. I mean, I'm not really surprised because in quarantine, like, online shopping was my only hobby. It's getting to be an issue, so I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna get some things together, put them in a bag, and probably just donate them. But I wanted to give you an update as to what we're doing right now. I don't even know what time it is. It's 2:30, still listening to podcasts, still trying to clean. I mean, I'm making progress, that's for sure. I took the sheets off my bed so I could wash them and everything. Took laundry downstairs, and this is where we're at. I just really don't feel like holding it. Okay, hello. I am bored from cleaning my rooms. I'm taking a break and I'm gonna actually get onto my computer and I'm gonna do some prep work, I guess. I don't know, like organizational things that I like to do. I'm gonna make a copy of my schedule. I like to do this on a website called Coursical. It's like very visually appealing. You can put the class name, the instructor, the room number, you can assign it a color, and then you put in the times, and then it'll make blocks for each class that cover the times that it is. So it's nice to look at and helpful for chunking time and everything. I always like to have that, and then I save it to my phone. So I literally forget what room my classes are in for like the first at least 2 weeks of school. So I always have that on my phone and it's so helpful. And then I'm going to go into my Google Drive and set up folders like I did last semester for all of my classes in there so that everything has a place and it's organized and stuff. And then I'm also going to create new folders on my desktop. I have a folder called school, and then within that I have folders for each semester, and then within that I have folders for each class that I'm taking. So I'm gonna make all of that right now. It really isn't going to take very long at all, even though I just explained and it sounded like a million things. Actually very easy. I will link Course School down below as well. This is not sponsored, obviously, but I think that it's a very helpful tool. All right, first things first, I need to refresh myself as to what classes I'm taking. Oh, also I took a break earlier while cleaning my room and scheduled a COVID test because I have to have a COVID test to go back to school. I tried to schedule one last week. There weren't any dates available for this week yet, so I went back on today and I was able to schedule an appointment. It didn't say it's confirmed yet. It says they've requested a lab order on my behalf and they'll email me a confirmation with appointment details. If they confirm it, I guess I will be going on Thursday to do that. Looking at my schedule is going to give me anxiety, 100%. Okay, now that I know my classes, I'm gonna go on to Coursical and do this and then do the other things that I said I was gonna do, and hopefully this will make me feel better.
Is there something after there's nothing to say? We're just moving in circles, but we're losing our shape. Oh, there's nothing. Feels like I'm not doing this right. Like a star that slowly disappears in the night.
I think we all know why I'm here. It's a few days later, you know the drill. This is the end of today's video. So that was me trying to prepare for my semester. It is now Wednesday when I'm filming this part. I have now received one syllabus from a professor, so at least I have something. I have 4 classes, so 1 out of 4 is where we're at right now, and we start school in 3, 4, 5 days. So that's my update, and that's really all I have for you guys today. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you've stayed until this point in the video, comment down below I'm a real one because you're a real one. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure you hit the subscribe button. I post a new video every single Sunday, and if you forget that I post a new video every single Sunday, or if you just want to get notified right when I post a new video, make sure to turn on my post notifications. It is the little bell icon so that you never miss an upload and you get notified right when I post a new video. And yeah, I think that's it. I hope you guys all have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.